Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tons of money using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first way you can make tons of money using ChatGPT is by making a faceless YouTube channel. Now over here on our computer we have ChatGPT open. Now with ChatGPT you can easily create YouTube scripts. But before you start creating scripts, there's one thing you want to do, and that's pick your YouTube channel niche. So for example, today we're going to make it about dogs. So we're going to go over here on ChatGPT and we're going to ask it to write us a script about the different types of dogs. So we're going to click enter and it's going to start generating us a YouTube script about dogs. So what we can do with this is actually go to a different website and generate an actual YouTube video. So when ChatGPT is done generating your script, you want to scroll all the way from the top and you want to copy and paste this entire script. Now as soon as you copy and paste the script, you want to go to a website called Pictory AI, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can open it easily. Once you get to this website, you want to create an account and then you should be on this screen. From here you want to click script a video and then click proceed. From proceed, it's going to ask you to paste your script in, so just click Ctrl V or right click and click paste and then click proceed. From here, you want to pick a template for your YouTube video, so over here I'm going to choose corporate, and you may want to make sure it's set to 16:9 to make sure it's in the right format for YouTube. So I'm going to click continue and it's going to start generating us an automated YouTube video, so we're going to go ahead and give it some time and we'll see what it comes up with. Now just a few minutes later, you already have an AI generated YouTube video. Now imagine how fast you can repeat these and upload tons of YouTube video to your channel. However, you do want to make a few changes after the YouTube video is produced. For example, if there's any stage directions like this, you want to just click on it and click delete. You also want to add narrations and upload voiceovers to make your content better, and you want to go through the entire video and make sure it's the best it can possibly be. Now let's go to our next method. The next way you can use ChatGPT in order to make tons of money is by using it in a dropshipping business. So for example, we have ChatGPT pulled up over here. So with the first thing with a dropshipping business, you need a title for your product and a description. So we can go over here to ChatGPT and ask it to write us a catchy product description. For example, if we're selling a massager, we're going to click enter. And then it's going to automatically generate you a massager product description. And with this, you could also use the other website we already talked about and create a video ad for your dropshipping business. Not only could you use it for that, but you could also use it to name your business. So for example, we'll go over here to ChatGPT and ask it to create a catchy website for a massager. So let's click enter and it's going to automatically start generating us a website name and a website domain. Now you can go ahead and buy this domain and create a fully customized dropshipping business. Next way you can make money using ChatGPT is by doing gigs on Fiverr. So for example, we have Fiverr pulled up right here, and this guy is offering to write us an article for $45. However, we can write this article ourselves using ChatGPT and make those $45 ourselves. So we can make a Fiverr account and list gigs like this, and when we get an order, we can go to ChatGPT and ask us to write us an article. For example, if someone asks us to write an article about food, we can ask ChatGPT to write us the article, and after it's done generating, you can just copy and paste, and after proofreading it, you could just submit it to the purchaser. And yeah, it's really that easy. Now something I personally recommend doing before turning any of these gigs in is pasting it on Quill and making Quill rewrite it to ensure there's no plagiarism. So it's just that easy as pasting it in and clicking paraphrase. So as you can see on my screen right here, I'm just going to paste it in and then click paraphrase. And then in a few seconds, it's just going to give me a modified copy of the text, but with the same information, and this basically ensures that there's no plagiarism in the text provided by ChatGPT. Now the last way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering tutoring services on websites like StudyPool. So for example, you can sign up to work on this website and make up to 7,500 USD monthly. So you can just sign up for this website and provide homework help, and when you get a question from a student, you can just go to ChatGPT and look up the homework answer and then provide personalized help to the student. And yes, it's that simple. So using those 4 ways I just showed you, you should be able to make thousands of dollars a month using ChatGPT. And yeah, that's all the ways we're going to be going over today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.